Hey friends, Howie Perks back again with another LiveGood video, and in this video I want to show you how easy it is to set up our team super funnel. So if you watch any of my videos, you know that I do a lot of videos talking about our team and our team site, which we're in right now, and also the super funnel. But instead of talking about the super funnel, I'm actually going to set one up and show you how easy it is to set it up for yourself if you decide to join us. Like if you click on the link below and get started with us in LiveGood, I'll get you access to this team site, and then once you're in the team site, you can go to where I am on the funnel page here and set up your funnel. You'll get access here, go to the home page, watch these videos. Nick does a great job of walking you through on how to get set up, and then how to launch, go bronze, and whatnot. So I'm going to concentrate on the funnel here. Before I get into it, if you're somebody who's already in LiveGood, or maybe you're in another business, you don't want to join LiveGood, but you are looking for a great system to use for a capture page, for a sales page, for email follow-up sequence, to use an autoresponder to be able to follow up with your leads, System.io is phenomenal. I love it so far. I'm going to show you in my system once I get it set up, because I'm going to set up a brand new funnel for you here. So I'll put a separate link down below. One will be for my team to get this funnel and become part of our team at LiveGood, and another will just be for System.io. And again, you can set it up for free. There is an upgrade option, which you'll see as I get going here, but it's not it's not something you have to do. It depends on your budget. I upgrade it because I wanted some of the additional features and I wanted to email more people. So the first thing is to set up your free system account here. Click on the button. Put your email in there. I'm going to use my dad's email. He has one of the top positions in my LiveGood business, so I'm going to go ahead and set up an account for him. I might do some sort of rotate or whatever, generate leads through his link, since he's not really actively building. But he does have a position, where he has a membership, and I want to build below that. So get your free account. It's where you're going to see the one-time offer. I took advantage of this offer. I think it's a great offer. So you go from 2,000 contacts to 5,000 contacts that you can email. And I believe you get more sales funnels, and then also some other features that you don't get in the free account. But the free account works. It'll do enough for you, especially if you're a brand new marketer, to get your capture page and your sales page and your email follow-up sequence all set up. But if you want some extra features, you're going to want to take the upgrade. So now, once I did this, I have to go ahead and confirm my email. So let me go over to the email and confirm, and then we'll be on our way. So let me go over here. Here it is, System.io. Confirm your email. Hi, in order to access your System.io account, please confirm this link. So I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. I'm going to create a password here. Give me 1 second. Wait for it. All right, one more time here. I love being able to do this kind of stuff to show you instead of just telling you about what we have as part of our team. We're an awesome team, that has a lot of helpful entrepreneurs in our private Telegram group, which I'll show you real quick, even though that's not what this video is about. If I go to home, actually, if I go to launch, you'll see this button here. This takes you to our private Telegram group, where you not only will get help from me, but there's an amazing group of entrepreneurs in there, ready and willing to answer questions and be very supportive. So let me go back to creating the account. Let me move my mug up here. I'm not a robot. Let's click save. So I just created my password. Now I'm going to be logged in, and this is important. So once you get inside of our team site, you're going to want to do exactly these steps. Set up your System.io, come back to the team site, and now go to video number 2. Let me go back to the funnel page. So we did this. We set up the account. Now it's just following the instructions here. This is where we're going to get our capture page and our sales page, and it literally is plug and play. I'm not going to watch the videos here because I already know how to do it, but you're going to watch the video and then click the button, and you're going to see here. Let me go back to my dad's system. As you see, this is blank. Let me go to funnels, and you see that that's blank. And let me go back to the team site, click on this green button, and boom. So there it is. So now it's inside of my dad's system. Let me go back over to this other one, and I'm going to refresh the page. As you see, the funnels are empty. Let me move this over so you can see funnel. Funnels are empty. Let me go ahead and refresh. if I can. My thing's in the way, sorry. I gotta pull this down a little bit. Refresh, now you're gonna see the funnel is gonna be there. Boom, and there's the funnel. Click on that. And then now it's just changing a few things inside of the system. So I'm gonna go to the capture page. Let me show you what that looks like. There's the capture page created by a top affiliate marketer that now you have access to. And then let's go over to the sales page. Let's click that. Let's go back over here. Paste that. And now you have the same exact sales page that I'm utilizing for my business. And all you have to do is make some tweaks. I'm going to scroll down quick to where you change the green button where it's going to go to your LiveGood page. Let me scroll all the way down here to the first green button right here. So this button, you're going to put your LiveGood tour page link there. So when somebody clicks on this, it goes to your tour page instead of what's already in there. So that's it. Now you have your capture page, you have your sales page, professionally built. Let's go back to the funnel. Let me show you real quick that we don't have any emails. So let's click on campaigns. There's nothing in here. Let's go back to the team site. Click the green button, and now you're going to see a series of emails that are going to be in the system. Let me go back to the other page, and I have to pull this down again because I have my button that's in the way and I can't get to my refresh. Click refresh, and now you'll see I'm sorry, that's the wrong thing. I got to go over to emails. Go to emails, go to campaigns. Oh, that's it. I got to click on it. Sorry. There's all your emails written by a top affiliate marketer, and all you're going to have to do is go in, and again, Nick does a great job of walking you through what you need to do and how to edit your capture page, edit your sales page, whatnot. It's all here, and once you have it all done, you're going to test it, and then you're going to start getting traffic, and the traffic works. Let me go ahead and go back over and show you these emails real quick. So this is how you edit. Click on the email, click on the email here, and you can see it's all pre-written for you, and it's in red of, put your sales page link there. So this is going to be your LiveGood tour page, and then you're going to go ahead and, put your name here. Let me exit out of here, show you another email. Exit. And then you're just going to do that through the emails that are available in the system. And again, if you're a brand new marketer, this is really going to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So for $9.95 a month for your LiveGood wholesale membership, you're going to get free access to our team site and all this training and this plug and play system, which to me has a ton of value to it. So again, here you're just going to change your link, make that your LiveGood tour page, there, and then go ahead and change this to your name. And again, Nick walks you through on how to exactly do that in these videos. It's really super simple. And if you ever run into anything and you join me, obviously I'll help you. And then the Telegram group is a great resource to help you as well. So with that being said, I just wanted to show you, exactly what you're going to get and how easy it is to set that up. So now, literally in 2 clicks of a button, you had a professionally designed capture page, sales page that leverages LiveGood and our team. So it's branded for our team and why somebody would want to join LiveGood with our team. And then professionally written emails, I believe 8 of them. Let me go ahead and exit out of this. I totally forgot how many emails. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 emails that are going to go out, day 1, day 2, day 3. Basically, if you've never done any type of cold market emailing, you need to, basically warm that list up so they get to know, like, and trust you. So you can use these emails, and then also to, write your own news emails, to be able to warm people up. I'm going to go ahead and log into my system to show you that it works. This is my dad's system. It's a brand new system. But now let's get into my system, and I'll show you. And don't go by this. 56 new leads today. Let me do all time. Show you where I'm at right now. I have 441 leads in here. Let me go ahead and go to some of my newest newsletters that I did. So I've been doing one-off newsletters to the list to be able to get people to pre-enroll and to upgrade from there. And again, you don't have to write your own emails, but it's recommended to you. Obviously, if you're going to get better as a marketer, you're going to want to learn how to write some emails and send out blast to your list to get them to know you. And it's not always about selling. It's about, providing them with value. It's value, 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 buy my stuff, value, 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 buy my stuff. And then people will start to warm up to you, open up your emails. As you see here, I got, my clicks and open ratios, we got 7%, 16%, 18%. And then we also have our campaign, where, let me go ahead and go to the regular one. This is the one that you're initially set up, and you see here 20% open, 22% open, 20% open, 35% open, and then people are clicking. So these are real human beings, and this is from the traffic source that's inside of our system. I'm not going to scroll down because I don't want everybody and their mom and their brother and who knows using the same traffic sources. They work. What we have works. It's the only reason it's in there is because Nick's used it before. I recognize all the sources. I've been doing internet marketing since 2008. I recognize the sources, and it's all about just building that list and providing value to that list. And you might be asking too, and then I'll be done with this video, why do you need this super funnel? If you have the LiveGood tour pages, why would you want the funnel? Well, the thing is LiveGood doesn't want any type of paid traffic sources going directly to your tour page. If you do that, you're going to get your tour page shut off. So if you want to do any type of paid marketing, then you want to drive that to a buffer page, which is our capture page in our funnel system, so that you don't get your page shut off. And it also does a great job, obviously branding our team on why somebody would want to join you, because if you're a new marketer, you can leverage being on our team and somebody getting access to not only this super funnel, but this awesome team site that has all this training and a phenomenal group of entrepreneurs. Like I said, if you were to click this button here, it takes you to our Telegram group where you have a community that is there to support you and help you. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, click like, drop me a comment. The link to join will be the first LiveGood link. I'll actually put the system so you can see it, so you can actually go through it and experience it. I'll put that link, and the second link will be just a link for System.io. If you're somebody who's in another business, you don't want to join LiveGood, or maybe you're already connected with somebody and you want to use System.io, I'll put that link underneath the LiveGood join team page. So with that being said, Howie Perks here. I hope you're having a great day, and I look forward to partnering with some of you soon.